Hello. Here we have a robotic Brady Floor Label robot. So this here, you would load your Brady floor tape on here. It shows you how much you're going through your tape. It would go across through. You have the remover for the backing plate, and then the tape will go down and run under the rear roller, which is at the back down in here. And oops. So it would go underneath this bottom roller down here. As it's going down, it would push the tape down onto the floor. And there's a release over here for it. Has the front servo that controls the steering on it. All right, back here it has the optics of the front for avoidance. Right in here, it has a sensor in here for when the tape is out. Here is the actual laser part that once the laser is in there, it will actually follow the laser line and it will completely track on the floor. Right. So the laser system itself is this unit right here, and inside this thing is a laser emitter. It has a rechargeable power bank inside there that you can recharge on the side right here. As soon as you pick it up, there's a switch on the bottom that turns off the laser, turns it back on again. So as soon as the unit's over here, you can see how it's letting you know when the laser is actually right in the center, and then it's going to follow once the two lights are lined up. You know you're exactly straight with the unit, and the unit's going to follow these lines here, these lines on there, and it will go all the way through. So there you go. I cannot find a manufacturer on this. It has a Pegasus board inside there, and unfortunately right now I can't access it because I can't figure out the password. So I purchased this item on eBay, or on a local auction rather, and I am not quite sure how to access the thing. It does also come with this huge case here, which is pre-molded for the unit. As you can see, all the parts fit in there, including the adapter. The case alone retails brand new for $800. So, all right. So there you go. Unit's operational, just password protected that I can't gain access to right now. So it's being sold as is. But there you go. Oh, forgot to mention too, it has an onboard 12-volt DC battery that's holding charge pretty good. It's holding about 12.5 volts. So there you go.